In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss and take profit in TradingView step by step, 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these settings, how to attach them to a new trade, and how to update them on an existing position so your risk is managed from the start. First, open TradingView and navigate to any chart for the market you want to trade. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or futures contract. Once the chart is up, look along the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. Click it, then connect to your broker or choose the built-in paper trading option. Paper trading is a great way to practice safely with simulated funds, and it mirrors the same workflow you'll use with a live broker. With your account connected, place a new order by clicking Buy or Sell in the trading panel. This opens the order window. Here, you'll see dedicated fields for stop loss and take profit. These are protective orders that bracket your position. The stop loss closes the trade if price moves against you to limit losses, while the take profit closes the trade once your target is reached to lock in gains. Enter the price levels you want for both. Type exact prices that match the instrument's tick size and format. A practical approach is to place the stop loss beyond a recent swing high or low, and set the take profit at a level that reflects your strategy's risk to reward. For example, risking 1 unit to aim for 2 units is a common framework. Always double-check the side of your trade and confirm that the stop loss is on the protective side of your entry and the take profit is in the intended direction. When everything looks correct, click Buy or Sell to send the order. TradingView will attach the stop loss and take profit automatically, so you don't need to add them afterward. You should see the position reflected in the trading panel and, depending on your chart settings, lines showing your entry, stop loss, and take profit. If you need to modify an existing order, go to the Positions tab in the trading panel. Find your open position, then click the gear icon or right-click on the position to open the settings. Adjust the stop loss and take profit prices to your new levels. Review the summary to make sure the changes match your intent, and save the changes. The updates will be applied to your active trade and will appear in your position details. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.